It's a 2018 Nissan Pathfinder. Leave no child, nor boat, nor trailer behind in this Pathfinder thanks to its comfortable seating for 7 and strong towing capability. And it comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, intelligent key, voice activation, hands-free liftgate, remote engine start, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. The Car Connection believes behind the wheel, drivers will likely forget they're driving a 7-seat crossover utility vehicle. Nissan excites the senses so you can enjoy the journey. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At Westchester Toyota Scion, located near Westchester, New York, and our Westchester Toyota Scion website, call, click, or stop in today.